Hi, in this video I'm going to go through the process of changing the front brake pads on a 2004 Honda Accord. This should be the same or similar for the years 2003 through 2007. The first step is to jack up the front of the car and secure it with jack stands. Remove the tire using a 19mm socket. Next, we'll slide the caliper off of the brake pads. Use a 12mm socket to remove the bottom caliper bolt. Use a screwdriver to pry the caliper upward and rotate it out of the way, being careful not to crimp the brake line. Remove the old brake pads. If they're stuck, pry them out with a screwdriver, being careful not to mar the surface of the rotor. Next, we'll compress the brake piston. Use a large C-clamp or a piston compression tool. Put the old brake pad on the piston to protect it, then tighten the C-clamp, little by little, until the piston is fully compressed. That is, flush with its housing. Now we're ready to install the new brake pads. I'll put a link to the correct part number in the video description. If your brake kit includes new abutment clips, pry the old ones out with a screwdriver. Clean the area with a wire brush and install the new ones. Next, take one of the new brake pads, one without the wear indicator, and apply some caliper grease to the ears. Then, place the new brake pad into the abutment clip at the bottom, and then at the top. If it doesn't fit in smoothly, use a screwdriver to help compress the clip to allow the brake pad to slide into place. Next, we'll apply the back brake pad. This one has the wear indicator, or squealer, on the bottom. Apply a little bit of caliper grease to the piston and the caliper fingers, the points where they will contact the back of the brake pads. If you like, you can add a little grease to the back of the brake pads themselves. Then, rotate the caliper down over the brake pads and back into place. Note that the caliper pin has a notch to seat against the caliper properly. Verify it's lined up. Then, reinstall the 12mm bolt. Torque it to 26 foot-pounds. As a final step, spray brake cleaner on the rotor disc to remove grease and debris. Reinstall the tire and tighten the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds. Repeat this process for the brake pads on the other side. Once done, remove the jack stands and lower the vehicle. Pump the brake pedal a few times to extend the caliper piston. Please like and subscribe if you appreciate short videos like this. And thanks for watching Practical Mechanic. All the best.